Hi, beautiful people. My name is Elena, and here is my husband Eric. We would like to invite you for a trip to Big Water, or in language of Guarani, Iguaçu. It was so good to leave concrete jungles of São Paulo, to enjoy a flight above the clouds, to dream, to watch the world from above, and be thankful to the Lord for all the beauty He made. After landing, we got to the hotel and then went to the place where three countries meet each other: Brazil, Paraguay, and Argentina. Locals call it Três Fronteiras. Brazil side has a beautiful sunset view, and in the evening we got a chance to see the history of dance. It's all started with a love story, of course. Then each country represented their culture on the stage. Our evening continued in the restaurant with a great food. This part of the world known by its best meat, so our choice was obvious. Keep on watching the concert and enjoying the time together. Next day, we visit Itaipu, third largest hydroelectric dam in the world, located on the border between Brazil and Paraguay. Then, trip to Argentina to see Iguaçu Falls from another perspective. The picture I saw took my breath away.